Hi friends, in this part we shall discuss about the single entry bookkeeping system and its conversion to double entry bookkeeping system. In this system, single entry bookkeeping system, the trader knows certain details and recorded transactions, but he has not recorded the transactions perfectly in the double entry bookkeeping system. So let us examine how it works here.
Let us see the illustration here. Deepak maintained his books of account in the following manner. He does not know double entry bookkeeping system. He brought in funds from time to time, but today he does not know what his capital is. He has given the opening balance of trial balance as at 1st January 2021 and some closing balance of accounts as at 31st December 2021. From these details, we have to prepare trading, manufacturing and profit and loss account and balance sheet and find out what his capital is today, taking various details given by him into account. Now, according to the illustration, factory electricity charges, electricity for office and entertainment expenses have been paid from the bank. His cash payments were factory labor and wages 60,000, he paid inward freight 12,000, go down rent 20,000, staff salaries 70,000, advertisement cost 25,000, sundry expenses 12,000. All that he has paid from cash. He sold goods worth for cash 4,50,000. He purchased trading goods worth for cash 1,33,000. He paid suppliers who supplied him goods on credit in the current year to the extent of rupees 30,000. He collected cash from debtors to the extent of rupees 60,000. Rupees 10,000 has to be written off as bad debts as that person to whom Deepak supplied goods has gone out of business. Raw materials purchased for cash during the year was 27,000. Packing materials purchased for cash during the year 12,000. Depreciation has to be provided 2% on land and buildings, 5% on plant and machinery, 20% on furniture and vehicles. Prepare the trial balance as at 1st January 2021 and also trial balance as at 31st December 2021, preparing the final accounts for the year ended 31st December 2021. Let us see the working notes here. Raw materials consumed is equal to opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock, which is equal to 37,000, which is explained in the solution. Packing materials consumed similarly is opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock, which is also explained in the solution as 27,000. Total debtors closing balance is given, opening balance is given, collections is also given, and we can find out the credit sales as a balancing figure. So the credit sales works out to 2,10,000. Similarly, total creditors closing balance is given, opening balance is given, supplier payments are given, and so the balancing figure shall be the credit purchases, which has been worked out to 80,000. And let us prepare the cash account and bank account to know other details that has taken place. Now cash opening balance is taken as it is 40,000 and raw materials 27,000, packing materials 12,000, trading goods purchased 1,33,000, factory labor and wages paid in cash 60,000, freight inward, go down rent, staff salaries, advertisement costs, sundry expenses, all paid in cash has been recorded in the cash book. And then bank deposits. This is a derivative from bank account. It is taken as 35,000 and bank ledger account is also maintained, taking the opening balance and the payments made from the bank and also taking the closing balance. We arrive at the cash deposited in the bank during the year as 35,000. Now we prepare the ledger accounts for cash account and bank account. We record all the cash payments in the cash account and cash collections from debtors. Everything has been taken from the illustration. Cash sales, what we have found out from the formula has also been recorded, and so the total cash transactions during the year has been arrived at. When the closing balance and opening balance has been taken from the illustration itself, The difference will be the cash drawings by the owner, which amounts to 90,000 as a balancing figure. Bank account, similarly, we have taken the opening balance and closing balance of overdraft 45,000 and 65,000 respectively, and bank has made 3 payments: electricity charges for factory and office and entertainment expenses. So the cash deposited in the bank account should be 35,000 as a balancing figure. Now, with these details having been found out, we prepare the manufacturing and trading account and profit and loss account. The opening stock and closing stock finished goods have been taken as it is. The opening stock work in progress and closing stock work in progress also has been taken as it is. And then raw materials consumed has been worked out by taking the opening balance of raw materials plus raw materials purchased minus closing stock of raw materials. Similarly, packing materials consumed has been worked out by taking the opening stock of packing materials plus packing materials purchased minus closing stock of packing materials. That gives us packing materials consumed. Then factory labor, factory electricity, freight inward, trading goods purchased for cash 1,33,000, credit purchases 80,000 have all been taken on the debit side of the manufacturing and trading account. And on the credit side, we have taken the cash sales and credit sales both together, aggregating to 6,60,000 rupees. So the gross profit is 2,99,000, which has been carried to profit and loss account. Then the administrative expenses like electricity for office, go down rent, staff salaries, advertisement costs, sundry expenses, entertainment expenses, and depreciation have all been shown in the profit and loss account. And the difference between these two sides, debit and credits, give us the profit earned during the year of 13,000, which has been carried to balance sheet. And we have also prepared the opening trial balance as at 1st January 21 and the closing trial balance as at 31st December 2021. In the trial balance for January 2021, the profit and loss account already had a profit of 35,000, and adding this year's profit of 13,000, the closing balance of profit and loss account will be 48,000. All the assets have been shown at depreciated values as of 31st December 2021. And the closing stock of raw materials, packing materials, finished goods and work in progress as of 31st December 2021 have been taken as it is. And the sundry debtors and sundry creditors closing balance and bank borrowings closing balance have all been taken. So the trial balance as at 1st January 2021 and 31st December 2021 have been made out, and it has been agreed and there are no errors, and then the balance sheet has also been tallied. So this is the double entry system, manufacturing and trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet of trader Deepak. Thank you.